I'm Jen. Welcome to my channel. I have 4 oranges here. I'm gonna dehydrate the orange peel and then make orange peel powder. Dehydrated orange peel powder is so flavorful and it contains so much vitamin C. It's 3 more times than the fruit itself. You can use dehydrated orange peel powder for baking, cooking. Today I'm going to use orange peel powder for making orange shortbread cookies. Let's get it started. I just sliced the orange peel thin like this. 4 large oranges. I got this much orange peel. I'm going to put them on my dehydrator. And the temperature, we're gonna use 125 Fahrenheit. It's about 50 Celsius. I set it up for 13 hours and I'm gonna let it work overnight. Then check them out in the morning, about 8 hours. Alright, it has been 8.5 hours. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, it's done. Pretty dry and crispy right now. Put this dehydrated orange peel in the blender. Blend them into the powder. I'm going to use this orange peel powder to make orange shortbread cookies. We need 2 sticks room temperature unsalted butter. Cream the butter. On the side bowl, I'm going to sift 200 grams powdered sugar. Add the powdered sugar in the butter. Cream the sugar and the butter. Use a spatula, scrape it down. Adding 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 room temperature egg. Mix them together. We're gonna sift 200 grams all-purpose flour, 200 grams cake flour. Slowly add the flour into the butter sugar mix. I'm gonna take some plain cookie dough out. Around 450 grams plain cookie dough. Add a 1/4 cup of orange peel powder into the rest of the cookie dough. I'm gonna sift this in the cookie dough. Mix the orange peel powder into the cookie dough. Let me tell you, this cookie dough smells so good, so orangey. Roll this dough into a round shape. Around 6 inches long. Wrap it and put this in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Now I'm going to work on this plain dough. Divide it into 3 pieces. Each piece should weigh around 150 grams. Put the cookie dough on the parchment paper. Fold in half. Use a roller. Roll the cookie dough. Roll it into a flat cookie dough around 8 inches long and 8 inches wide. Do the same for the second one. Keep these 2 in the fridge for about 20 minutes. The last piece of cookie dough, we're gonna add some orange cookie color. This orange color cookie dough is going to be the orange peel for the orange cookie. Roll this orange cookie dough between the parchment paper into a 8 inches long, 8 inches wide flat cookie dough. Keep this in the fridge for about 20 minutes too. After 30 minutes, I can take this frozen cookie dough out from the freezer. Cut this cookie dough into half. Divide the half into 4 pieces. Now we're gonna need this white flat cookie dough. Take 1 piece orange dough. We need 6 pieces of this long white cookie dough, just like this. Alright, this is a half. Half is done. Do the same for the other half. Put half this cookie dough on the rest of the white cookie sheet. Here you go. This is the inside of an orange cookie dough. Use the second flat cookie dough. Wrap this. Keep this dough in the freezer for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can take the cookie dough out and slice the cookie dough. And the cookie dough is around 1 centimeter thick. Bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Orange shortbread cookies, they're gorgeous. Wow, it is so orangey, citrusy, and it is delicious. Alright, thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!